What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is Sunday afternoon. We have a little group ride that we're gonna go check out some place to eat. It's actually a cool little pizza place called Pizzaforia down on 71st Street. Me and one of the members here got together to do a little ride because it is beautiful out today. I changed my tires on my board. When we get to a place, I'll show them to you. I got out of the pneumatics. I think Skate Unity is correct about the pneumatics. They're not all that. The tires I had on were good when they were new, and then when they wore down a little bit, they got a little bit oval shape, like egg shape, and just started getting me really bad on balance. Now, the last couple of videos you can hear me complaining about it, so I switched over to the solid tires that I bought that are 105s from Eovan, and I wish I'd have put these tires on in the beginning. You guys leave in the comment, what are the street tires you think I should put on this board that would be good for my riding? I ride a lot in the street and a little bit of off-road, but I have another board for off-roading, so here comes another big ass bump. I got homeboy on his electric bike that he built. You've seen it in previous. Oh, scared the hell out of me.
That's the purpose.
I gotta say, these 105s, all rubber tires that I'm riding on, really don't feel much of a difference from the pneumatics. Like I said, the car show is going on today in the Miami Beach Convention Center, so there's a lot of traffic out. Yeah, there goes another folding bike. I'm seeing those folding bikes everywhere. The electric, the hay bike. The electric supposed to be pretty good. They look pretty decent.
And you can put them in an apartment.
Yeah, you can at least fold it up and take it in an apartment. Crazy. All right. I know this electric bike can do about 20 miles an hour. Let's check it out. Hey, how you like your electric? How do you like it?
Yeah.
It's good?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. ¿Tenido por mucho tiempo?
Hace un mes.
Una mes? Alright, he's had it for like a month, guys. Nice.
Yeah.
¿Pasa como cuántos millas hace?
27 millas.
27. Ah, está bien.
Es para matarse, para mí. si no voy con protecciones para matarse.
Sí. He says it does 27 miles an hour, but he doesn't like doing that without a helmet and stuff. You know? So, that's cool though. That's my first time seeing one of the electric bikes up close and actually running. I thought about getting one of those, but 27 miles an hour, really, I don't think that's fast enough for me. I do that on my board. What's up? This is a good test for these tires, guys, because this street is really bumpy. And really absorbing the bumps really good. Better than cloud wheels, actually. I just got to ride them a little more to see if I trust the grip on them. Where's the slip out point? This is North Miami Beach, guys. If you've never been to this part of town, it's a lot different than regular South Beach. It's a lot more older, how the beach used to be like. All right, guys, we're here at Pizzaforia. Very old school pizza, very good pizza too. All right, guys, we're gonna munch and then we'll continue our ride. All right, everybody, we just finished eating. We didn't have to charge. We didn't go very far, but it was a very good place. I love the food there. So we're gonna head over down to South Beach, Ocean Drive, South Point, go check out what's going on, see what's up. Then we're gonna go hit an e-bike store that just opened up on Miami Beach. Go check out some e-bikes, see what they got there. That'd be pretty cool. I really like these tires. I think I like these tires better than the pneumatics, man, completely. And a good thing, I don't gotta worry about flat tires. I don't gotta worry about putting air in the tires. Carry a spare tire, an air pump. Oh, here we go, we got the dirt bike guys. It was crazy, huh? I almost fell like twice keeping up with them. The skate shop is right up here. Tricky metaphors. Gangstar in the house. Check out all the longboards. There are all kinds of skateboards here. They used to have electric skateboards. I don't see them anymore. All kinds of longboards, clothes to buy, wheels. I just finished coming from the skate store. I bought me some new bearings because if you can hear on my board, you can hear the right back bearing is click, 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 and it's driving me crazy. All right, police action going on everywhere. These tires do not like manholes though. I hit that manhole when I was riding with those motorcycle guys and I almost flew off the board like twice. Oh, yo, you can't just walk out into the street not looking. We're riding behind Lincoln Road Mall. We're going to a new e-bike store that just opened up. So we're gonna go check it out, see what they have. Is it open? Nope, that's it. Oh, that's nice.
Those are nice. Look at those videos.
Oh yeah, they do got Super 73. Yeah, they do got Super 73s here.
That's what I thought I saw. They have one. They have a gas tank. The white one they have over there.
They got that. They got the folding bike over there. Got the Segway. Place is closed, guys. I don't know what time it's open. They open at 10 a.m. Oh, they got the little electric mini bike one. All right, we're on Ocean Drive. See what's going on. There we got chicks doing skateboard tricks. There's the famous house. Look at the cruise ship, guys. That is super cool.